Ni hao, I'm Antoinette Beer Patacado, taking a Bachelor degree of Science in Tourism Management at Central Philippine University. Taking this degree helped me to understand the dynamic process of planning, organizing, and diverse career opportunities. In addition for that, tourism management is a dynamic industry that continually challenges you to adapt and grow, cultivating essential soft skills that are invaluable across numerous careers. In engaging in this field, you will enhance your resilience, cultivate patience, and equipping yourself for success in any professional endeavor. Why Hong Kong? I am eager to immerse myself in a vibrant culture that will challenge me to grow beyond my own borders. Experiencing the rich culture diversity of Hong Kong will not only deepen my understanding of the world but also equip me with the skills to adapt to my own country. I am fresher with no experience. I work with integrity and dedicated to tasks given. I am multiliterate and able to learn effectively and always ready to take initiative. I am deeply passionate about collaborating with others, valuing their perspective, as I firmly believe true learning flourishes in a team environment. I believe in my skills will contribute positively to the company. This internship in Hong Kong is not just an adventure, but also a crucial role and stepping stone in my journey toward becoming a general manager. It offers an opportunity for personal growth as I am committed to providing the best support and comfort to my family. Once again, this is Antoinette Bier Patacado. Mabuhay!